Do you ever feel like your small living room is holding you back, like no matter what you do, it's always too cramped, too cluttered, or just missing that wow factor? The truth is, a small living room doesn't have to mean small style. In fact, in 2026, some of the most creative design trends are being born out of tiny spaces. Today, I'm sharing 80 small living room design ideas for 2026, along with inspired interior tips to help you make your space look bigger, smarter, and more beautiful than ever. By the end of this video, you'll see how your little living room can turn into the most stylish spot in your home. 1. Smart furniture choices. Furniture is the backbone of a small living room, and in 2026, it's all about pieces that work harder for you. Modular sofas let you switch up the setup depending on the occasion. Compact during the week, extended for family movie nights. Nesting coffee tables can be stacked or spread out, saving space when needed. Floating TV cabinets free up the floor, making the room feel less crowded. Even slim console tables behind a sofa can double as storage and a charging station. Pro tip: always choose furniture that's the right scale. Oversized sofas in a small room eat up precious space. Instead, go for low profile or sectional designs. 2. Color and light illusions. Color and lighting can completely transform how big or small a room feels. Light neutrals like beige, soft gray, or cream make the walls disappear, opening up the space. Add deep tones like navy or forest green in accents, pillows, rugs, or a single wall to create depth without making the room heavy. Mirrors are the ultimate trick. Place one across from a window and watch the room instantly double in brightness. For curtains, choose sheer or light fabrics to let natural light flow in while still giving you privacy. Pro tip: instead of one bright overhead light, use multiple lamps around the room for a softer, more spacious glow. 3. Use your vertical space. When floor space is limited, look up. Designers in 2026 are making the most of walls and height. Tall bookcases give the illusion of higher ceilings. Floating shelves provide storage without taking up floor space. Hanging plants bring greenery without using up side tables. Even artwork arranged in a vertical layout draws the eyes upward. Pro tip: paint shelves the same color as the walls. It makes them look built-in and helps the room feel seamless. 4. Multifunctional magic. In a small living room, everything should have more than one purpose. Ottomans that serve as storage, seating, and even a coffee table. Sofa beds for guests without needing a spare room. Fold-out desks or wall-mounted tables that create a workspace when needed. Benches with storage underneath for both sitting and hiding away clutter. Pro tip: choose furniture with slim legs instead of bulky bases. It makes the floor more visible, which makes the whole room feel larger. 5. Add style without clutter. Now, let's talk about decor. A small room doesn't mean boring, it just means choosing carefully. Instead of lots of small frames, go for one large piece of wall art for a bold, clean look. Rugs are great anchors. A patterned rug under the sofa defines the space and adds character. Mix in textures like velvet cushions, woven baskets, and cozy throws to make the space inviting. A few plants or greenery touches keep the room fresh and lively. Pro tip: follow the less but bigger rule. Fewer, larger decor items look more stylish than many small, scattered ones. So, there you have it, 80 small living room design ideas for 2026. With the right furniture, smart storage, light tricks, vertical space, and a touch of personality, even the tiniest living room can feel open, modern, and full of charm. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Modular sofas, vertical shelving, or mirror magic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more interior design inspiration, and check out my other videos on modern curtain designs, luxury TV units, and furniture hacks for small spaces. Remember, your small living room doesn't have to feel small. In 2026, it can be the most stylish space in your entire home.